Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome to you. Okay, now so I want to show now another better product when una go like. Alright, now this product is called Redness Removal. Redness Remover is a product, is a unique product that's been made for just redness. For a lot of us that have been having this redness of a thing, like most times we walk, we don't walk, we always just get this redness. This is not sunburn at all. It's just redness, or any small thing you do, you'll be having this redness on your face or any part of your body. Alright? So this one is for us. Trust me, what you just need to do with this product now, you warm a water, just warm water, like 2-3 cups. Then you put 1 cup of this inside out water that you've already warmed, put it inside a bowl. Then you take your face towel, then you dip it inside the warm water, and which you've already put this inside. You put the face towel inside the warm water, then you use it to dap the place, morning, evening, for only 3 days. This will suck off the redness. 3 days, it will suck off the redness and never return. Unless, if you're that type that is just, maybe you have that naturally or by birth, or I don't know how, like it's just been in there. So what you do, meaning you'll be using this regularly, all right? And it's nothing much. It's just made of fruit. It's not harsh. It have a nice smell, nice aroma also. So it's not something that is harsh to your skin, or it will be difficult to do, because a lot of people, they will say it's time, I don't have time. No, this is a very nice antioxidant that you can use to clear such irritation called redness. So please don't forget that I have once again shown you the solution to your problem. A problem discussed is a problem solved. All right, for those of you who want to buy a nice lotion, 7 days lotion, or you want to buy, you can check our price list at the Instagram, or you can check us via WhatsApp, the number on your screen. Okay, you can check our price list for all of our products. And then again, if you want to buy skincare materials, organic, or you want to buy any of the product that you want to use to produce, or this premixing, yes, just name them. We have them. We have all type, and we ship everywhere. We deliver to everywhere. Just name it, wherever you are, US, Canada, UK, Europe, Asia country, we deliver everywhere. All African countries, we deliver everywhere. Even in this country, we ship, we deliver everywhere. So that is that. Have this in mind, that this product, this redness remover, is the solution to your redness. Because redness, you see, it turns, when it's been long in your body, it turns form something else. So for us not to let it form any other problem to our skin, or color discoloration, or skin disorder, so let's start treating it now. For those of you who have skin tags, please, you can contact me also. I have solution for you. Trust me, this is the right solution. Can't you see my skin? If I want my skin to pop up more than this in 7 days, I can increase that, but I just want this that I am right now. So if you want your skin to pop up, you can contact us also. Whatever type of lotion you want us to customize for you. And we have student set also, so you can contact us. So bye bye.